Hello guys, so how are you? So today I'm going to discuss with you some important concepts and those are related to the some Python basic coding problems. As you know, you are preparing for those data science, generative and so many things, but what happens, you most of the times get forget related to the basic concepts related to Python and all those. So what happens nowadays instead of interviewer asking the simple questions like list, tuple, dictionary, and all those, now they have moved their focus towards the advanced programming such as OPS means object-oriented programming, in which they are asking class methods, inheritance, abstractions, polymorphism, and encapsulation, and so many things. And apart from that, they will going to give you a bit more tricky code, and in that code you need to do apply a lot of logic. So recently one of my friend has given interview and he faced some challenges, like they asked the some questions. Suppose python is not going to handle the very large number of numeric data, means numbers. It will not going to handle the very large numbers. So how we will going to solve that problem by using class and object concepts methods. So initially, actually, it's a tricky problem. So you should know proper very well that how we will going to decide that Python will not going to work on integer and you want to convert that, means it will just going to work on the just number length whose length will be 5, means up to 5 decimal points that number will work. So here will be approach that you have need to convert whatever given number into the strings, and after that you have need to do the slicing of the strings, and after slicing you have need to do the addition of those strings, converting those strings into the numbers, and after that you have need to do the additions. But simply you cannot do addition here. See here you have need to apply some logics, metrics, then which decimal points, and you have need to apply some loops for ij conditions loops, and based upon that you have need to do. And if you want to use the class and objects, then it's going to become a more tricky. And apart from that, there is another question, it's related to leventien distance. So they have given the three strings, and in which like those strings are horse, horses, whole, or whole, in which there is some letter changes, and you have need to do the codings, and you have need to find the some distance like inserts and deletions and all those based upon the object oriented program. So please do well, do practice of those questions very well, and those are not the very simple one, but if you have done the sufficiently practice, then definitely you can do all those. So that is the, I want to give you some suggestions, and apart from that, please try to revise your all those basics concepts like machine learning, deep learning, though now there is a lot of focus towards the generative and LLM models, but yeah, you need to prepare for those basics concepts, and those are the basic building block for anything. If you want any suggestions or extra from my side, then please ask me in the comments. I'm always there for your help. So have a nice day, and thank you. Bye bye.